Open the door to a fun-filled student living experience and more with IQ Alice House. Conveniently located between the University of Oxford and Oxford Brookes University near the River Cherwell, IQ Alice House offers a range of self-contained student accommodations to choose from. Enjoy your Oxford student life in a spacious and well-furnished studio apartment, all of which comes with a large bed, personal study area, well-fitted modern kitchen, TV, ample space for storing your personal belongings, and large bathroom. When it's time to unwind, recharge with a game of pool in the residence lounge or catch up with your friends over a cup of coffee in the common room. The property also offers an on-site bike storage facility along with 24-hour CCTV security surveillance. Are you looking for a place to enjoy some delicious food, shop around, or just kick back with your friends? With eateries, bars, and shopping all within walking distance of the residence and the Magdalen Bridge only 3 minutes away, your weekend here at IQ Alice House is fun-packed and euphoric. You're just a click away from a fun-filled living experience. Head to amberstudent.com to reserve your home today.